Škoda Auto is set to unveil an exciting new addition to its electric vehicle lineup with the world premiere of the Elroq scheduled for autumn 2024. This all-electric sport utility vehicle will expand Škoda's offerings into the A-main sport utility vehicle segment, which is the largest subsegment in Europe by volume. The Elroq is the first Škoda model to feature the brand's new modern solid design language, pushing the boundaries of the company's exterior design aesthetics. The Elroq boasts generous space, offering a luggage capacity ranging from 470 liters to 1,580 liters. Despite its compact exterior dimensions, it includes clever storage options, making it an ideal choice for both urban and suburban driving. The vehicle's performance is impressive, with power outputs from 170 horsepower, 125 kilowatts, to 300 horsepower, 220 kilowatts, and a remarkable range of more than 348 miles, 560 kilometers, according to the worldwide Harmonized light vehicles test procedure. Additionally, it has a quick charging time of under 28 minutes, making it a perfect companion for long-distance journeys. The introduction of the Škoda Elroq marks the beginning of Škoda's new battery electric vehicle campaign, which will include the launch of 6 battery electric models over the coming years. This strategic move signifies Škoda's commitment to sustainable mobility and innovation in the electric vehicle market.